Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2B, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the password and security section. Let's tap on it. Now let's simply tap on fingerprint, and as you can see, if you do not have the regular lock screen, you will have to set it. If you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. So let me tap on continue and pick the pattern. Here we've got the information that basically this is kind of a backup pattern. You cannot forget it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work and you will not remember the lock screen password or pattern, you will have to hard reset your device and remove all of the data. So remember about it. Let's tap on continue. Let me redraw it, and we do not have to confirm because we will be transferred to this step where we can basically add the fingerprint. We've got the sensor, so all we have to do is to put our finger on it. And right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, every place, every section for better recognition. Of course, the edges. Alright, and as you can see, it's quite easy in this device. All we have to do right now is to tap on done, or of course you can add another fingerprint if you want to. I don't want to use the face unlock, and here we've been transferred to the section where we can customize the fingerprint. So this is the fingerprint we just added, and we can rename it or remove it if you want to. You can add another. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Right here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So the screen unlock, which is set by a default, but also the app lock and private save. We've got the quick launch, we've got the fingerprint animation, and we can show fingerprint icon. And I highly recommend to use this option to keep it turned on, so you will be able to see the sensor when the device is blocked. We can also change the fingerprint animation, and as you can see, we've got quite a lot of options which are really pretty. So it's of course up to you which option you want to use. I'll stick with this one. And now let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let's wait. Here we've got the sensor, and let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.